Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The ongoing conflict at the St. James High School has taken another twist. At least one former member of the school board has broken her silence on the controversy and is suggesting that the principal, Joseph Williams, is fueling the tension at the school and not just the board chairman. But as Kalisha Williams reports, president of the Association of Principals of Secondary Schools, Lindven Wright, believes politics is at play.
On Monday, principal of the St. James High School, Joseph Williams, blasted the board chairman, Christopher McCurdy, for trying to tarnish the reputation of the school. However, a former board member, while giving Mr. Williams credit for transforming the school over the years, argues he's not without fault in this ongoing dispute.
He's a very good man. Yes, he has brought the school from a nowhere, basically, to where it is today. The issue I have with the principal is that he listens to nobody. And I think because everybody is commending him, that, listen, you have taken the school to this level, school is doing well. He's a god by himself.
In expressing her frustration with how the situation has unfolded, she said the principal also needs to take accountability. For some time now, the principal and the chairman have been at loggerheads. In 2024, 2 female students were expelled by the principal without consultation with the board. And in February, classes were cancelled after an argument broke out between the 2 men at a staff meeting. Then on Monday, the gates to the school were suspiciously padlocked.
I don't know what is happening to my school. And everybody is painting the chairman. But I think this chairman is standing up to him. I think this chairman is standing up to him, hence why there's a problem here.
In going further, she stressed that the Education Ministry needs to urgently intervene.
I'm seeing what is happening in this media space, and it's painting the chairman. I don't think that should be happening. I think persons should get to the root of the matter and find out what is happening, why the principal is so against the chairman. There are teachers who are there now recently, and our senior teachers, so it's really sad. It's really sad.
In the meantime, president of the Association of Principals of Secondary Schools, Lindven Wright, says while he cannot say who is right or wrong, it is clear the authorities are failing to resolve the problem.
We're hiding, but much of it seems to be politics, partisan politics. And it is something that we need to be very, very careful of.
He further stated that at this point in time, the focus should be on educational transformation and not partisan politics. In fact, Mr. Wright believes the stance by the National Education Council that politics is not a factor in how boards are appointed is a sham.
Our politicians in Jamaica, however competent or incompetent they are very powerful people. And people are afraid, the people in the ministry are afraid to challenge these politicians when they say who should be in charge of the schools. And if you go around the schools now, I'm not afraid to say this, in PNP areas is a strong, where a PNP MP is a strong PNP person who is on the board usually. In GLP areas is a strong GLP person. Almost as if what you're watching over the school for is about the politics.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.